Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn off Storage Manager function in Motorola Edge 15 Neo phone. So where to look for it and how to disable it. First of all, we need to access settings. Then in settings we are looking for storage options menu. And here is our storage manager with its switch. First of all, we can tap this option and we can change this function right here. So we can change it to 90, 60 or 30 days for our removal of photos and videos over 90 days old, for example. But if we simply want to turn this function off, we can use this switch right here. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.